Cool off with this healthy, protein-packed treat, perfect to keep your weight loss goals in check. It's cold, refreshing, and sweet. Best of all, it's a no-cook, 4-ingredient recipe. Stay to the end for the taste test. This is a high-protein, fiber-rich dessert option that's also low in calories. This yogurt bark is cold, tasty, sweet, and so easy to make. Only 4 ingredients. A quarter of this recipe, so a quarter of the entire cookie tray, is only 90 calories and has 5 grams of protein and some fiber. The nutrition information will vary depending on the type of yogurt you choose. Here are some pro tips from our trial. Choose Greek yogurt, or if you're lactose intolerant, choose lactose-free Greek yogurt or Skyr, S-K-Y-R yogurt, which is naturally lactose-free, to get the protein from this yogurt bark. I use frozen berries, but you can use fresh berries as well. You can break the frozen bark and store them in a freezer bag or container and have it ready to enjoy whenever you want. Let's get started.
Cold. Very good. I like the, you put honey on it? Yeah, it tastes good. It's very refreshing.
Perfect for
the summer. Food
hot
now.
weather, yeah.
It's tasty. Yeah, I like it.
For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my Elite Weight Loss Coaching Program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.